Ever wondered if AI could actually help you boost your income? We're living in a world where technology is rapidly changing how we work and earn, and today, we're diving deep into a fascinating question: what can Gemini do to make money? Now, Gemini isn't going to magically deposit cash into your bank account. It's a powerful tool, a large language model created by Google AI, and like any tool, its value lies in how you use it. Think of it like a Swiss Army knife, versatile, packed with potential, but ultimately, it's up to you to wield it effectively. So, let's explore some creative and practical ways you can leverage Gemini to generate income. First, let's talk about content creation. In today's digital age, content is king. Whether it's blog posts, social media updates, marketing copy, or even scripts for YouTube videos, like this one, high-quality content is in constant demand. Gemini can be a game-changer here. Imagine you're a blogger struggling with writer's block. You can feed Gemini a topic, some keywords, and even the desired tone, and it can generate a draft for you. Now, I want to emphasize, it's a draft. You still need to review, edit, and inject your own personality and expertise, but it can significantly speed up the initial writing process. This allows you to produce more content in less time, potentially leading to increased traffic, engagement, and ultimately, monetization through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products and services. This applies to social media too. Juggling multiple platforms, crafting engaging posts, and keeping up with trends can be overwhelming. Gemini can help you brainstorm content ideas, create catchy captions, and even tailor your posts for different platforms. Think about it. You could use Gemini to generate a series of tweets, a captivating Instagram caption, and a thought-provoking LinkedIn post, all based on the same core message. This saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business or personal brand. Beyond written content, Gemini can also assist with video creation. While it can't directly edit videos, it can be incredibly helpful in the pre-production phase. You can use it to generate scripts, brainstorm video ideas, and even create outlines for your videos. This is particularly useful for YouTubers, educators, and anyone looking to create engaging video content. Imagine you want to create an explainer video on a complex topic. Gemini can help you break down the information into digestible chunks, write a clear and concise script, and even suggest visuals or animations that could enhance your video. Now, let's move beyond content creation and explore other income-generating possibilities. One area where Gemini shines is in research and information gathering. Let's say you're a freelancer working on a project that requires extensive research. Gemini can quickly sift through vast amounts of information, summarize key points, and even identify relevant sources. This can save you hours of manual research, allowing you to focus on the core aspects of your project and deliver high-quality work to your clients. In the freelance world, time is money, and Gemini can help you optimize your time and increase your earning potential. Another interesting application is language translation. If you're multilingual or looking to expand your business into international markets, Gemini can be a valuable tool. It can translate text quickly and accurately, allowing you to communicate with clients and customers from different parts of the world. While it's always recommended to have a human translator review important documents, Gemini can be a great starting point for translating websites, marketing materials, and other written content. This opens up new opportunities for collaboration and expands your potential customer base. Gemini can also be a powerful tool for brainstorming and idea generation. Whether you're starting a new business, developing a product, or simply looking for creative inspiration, Gemini can help you generate a wide range of ideas. You can feed it a prompt, a problem you're trying to solve, or even a specific niche, and it can generate a list of potential solutions, concepts, or business ideas. This can be incredibly helpful for overcoming creative blocks and exploring new possibilities. Think of it as having a brainstorming partner available 24/7. Now, let's talk about a slightly more advanced application, coding assistance. While Gemini isn't a replacement for a skilled programmer, it can be a valuable tool for developers. It can help with generating code snippets, explaining complex concepts, and even debugging code. This can be particularly useful for beginners or developers working on projects that involve unfamiliar programming languages. By streamlining the coding process, Gemini can help developers work more efficiently and potentially take on more projects, leading to increased income. Another area where Gemini can be leveraged is education and training. If you're an educator or trainer, you can use Gemini to create lesson plans, generate practice questions, and even provide personalized feedback to students. It can also be used to create educational materials, such as ebooks, online courses, and tutorials. This can be a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with a wider audience and generate income through online education platforms or by selling your own educational products. Finally, let's touch upon the potential of using Gemini for personalized marketing. As businesses strive to connect with their customers on a more personal level, Gemini can be used to analyze customer data and generate personalized marketing messages. This can be particularly useful for email marketing, social media advertising, and other forms of targeted marketing. By tailoring your marketing messages to specific customer segments, you can increase engagement, improve conversion rates, and ultimately boost your sales and revenue. Now, it's crucial to remember that Gemini is a tool, not a magic bullet. While it can be incredibly helpful in a variety of ways, it's not going to replace human creativity, critical thinking, and hard work. The key is to understand its capabilities, identify your own skills and needs, and find creative ways to integrate Gemini into your workflow. It's about leveraging its power to enhance your existing skills and create new opportunities for income generation. The possibilities are vast, and the only limit is your imagination. So, start experimenting, explore different applications, and see how Gemini can help you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.